everybody, it's Ian the Off Kilter Crafter. I hope you're having a great day today. I am so excited for 2024 because Jennifer from Threadlines reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do an unboxing video of the Gravity Quilt Kit from Jaybird Quilts. Now this quilt kit has not been available for almost 10 years. It was last available in 2015 and they're bringing it back and they're going to be doing a sew along, and she asked if I wanted to take part, and of course I said yes. So she did send me a kit to unbox and we'll be doing that here in just a moment, and I can't wait to get started. If you too want to work on this kit, you can head over to the Threadlines website. You can purchase the kit for $1.99. There's also an optional sew along that you can add on to your purchase, and you can get things like how-to videos. You'll get a finishing pin when you finish it in January of 2025. You'll also get the chance to have giveaways, and there's also a Facebook group. So there's a lot of perks if you decide to sign up for the sew along as well. Now stick around to the end of the video so that way you can find out how to enter the giveaway. Yes, there is a giveaway here on my channel and I'm so excited about it. Threadlines is going to be giving away 3 $50 gift cards to their shop. You're not going to want to miss that, so make sure to stay to the end of the video. All right, enough talking about the kit. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. All right, I got my Gravity kit in the mail, and I want to give a big shout out to Jennifer over at Threadlines. She sent me this quilt kit for free to do an unboxing video and follow along with everybody as we're all putting our quilts together. So super excited to be working on this project. I did put this label on my quilt kit because I'm actually going to be using this box as what I store the quilt kit in. So as we work through the year on this quilt kit, I'm going to be putting everything back in this box and hopefully keeping everything organized with it. Let's see what's inside my kit and check it out. And just really quickly, if you do end up ordering the Gravity Quilt Kit from Threadlines, let Jennifer know that I sent you in her direction. All right, I have opened my kit and looks like we got some goodies here at the top. It looks like a card. It even has a little bit of sewing on the side here. Thank you so very much. You will never know how much this means to me. Wow, happy sewing, Jen. Thank you, Jen, for that. That's wonderful. It looks like we have a $10 gift certificate. I'm not going to flip this over because I bet you there is some kind of code or something on the back of this. But it looks like there is a $10 gift certificate in our kits. And then we have our sew along and what's in the box and all sorts of important information. You can also check out the Threadlines app by scanning that QR code. In fact, it'll probably work on your screen right now. If you, let's hold it in the light there. There we go. You probably can scan that QR code on the screen right now, and that will take you to the Threadlines app. Okay, I was just taking a moment to read over this card. It has a lot of good information, such as the sew along information. If you wanted to purchase that, you can do so on their website. I did talk about the finishing pin, but I forgot to talk about the participation patch. Try saying that 5 times fast. If you sign up for the sew along, you'll get that participation patch. You can sign up on their website. Included in this box, we have our months 1 through 9. We have our background. And if you need the pattern book and the templates, those are sold separately. And if you ordered them with your kit, they will be included in your kit. So they are not a part of the kit initially. You have to add those on. That is all available on their website as well. All right, let's take a look at what else is in this kit. We have the Hexies and More from Jaybird Quilts, and we also have the Super Sidekick template from Jaybird Quilts. Both of these are going to be needed to put this quilt kit together. So if you don't already have these, make sure to add on these to your order so that way you'll get them. And then, of course, we have our Gravity Quilt Kit book, Block of the Month quilt kit. So this will have all the information on how to put it together. I'm not going to thumb through it because I don't want to accidentally reveal any of the information on how to put this quilt kit together. You'll need to purchase these and the templates. If you don't already have them, these will not be included in your kit. We also have our Gravity Month 1. Look at that. They have already put all of the fabric together that we need for Month 1. And then Month 2, Month 3, Month 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have all of the colored fabric that goes in the center of the quilt. And then we have our background colors. Now we have background colors number 1, so silver, steel, and black. And then background colors number 2, it does look like, and Jen let me know that shadow is going to be coming in January. There was still a little bit of a shipping delay with that, so you will not have shadow in your kit, but don't worry, Jen is going to take care of you. She will send that out in January or as soon as she can get it in stock and ready and available. So you get everything that you need to put this quilt kit together. I love these colors. These are going to be so much fun, and I love that they're separated out by month. So I don't even have to worry about like which color goes where and how and all of that. Super excited to put this kit together, and I love this quilt. Like I said, I've seen this quilt before, and I wanted to work on this quilt, but I'm so excited that I now have the opportunity to do that. And looking on the back side of the pattern, it does make a queen size quilt, so that's 97 by 96 inches. And yeah, I love this quilt so much. It's so colorful and so bright, and I know my quilter is going to go crazy figuring out how she's going to quilt this quilt. So super excited, and I know my quilter will be excited too. So as you can see, a lot of good stuff in that kit, and I'm going to go ahead and put the links for that kit and the sew along group in the description box of this video, so make sure to go check that out. So I know you all are excited for the Gravity kit, but I know you're even more excited for how to enter the giveaway here on my channel. Head down into the description box. There's a link to a Google form. Make sure to fill out that Google form before January 1st at midnight of 2024. Hard to believe I'm saying 2024, but January 1st before midnight, January 1st, 2024, make sure to fill out those entries. I'm going to pick a winner. In fact, I'm going to be picking 3 winners January 1st, and I will make sure to email you and also do some sort of video here on my channel to let you know who the winners are. You have 48 hours to respond to that email letting you know that you have won, and then we'll go from there. It's going to be super exciting, and I'm so thankful to Threaded Lines for giving me these gift cards to give away. Big shout out to them. Thank you guys so much for doing this giveaway on my channel. So let's kick off 2024 with a brand new project, because who doesn't need another project to work on? Can't wait to see this quilt come together, and can't wait to get started on this quilt kit. It's going to be a fabulous year. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and remember guys, normal is just a setting on the dryer. Bye!